I'm Beth Flores.
Ako naman si Pastor Nestor Flores. Tandem kami sa buhay
Partner kami sa ministry.
at sa bawat hamon ng buhay, we are ready.
Alam namin, we are not alone in this race of life.
Jesus is our faithful companion. We press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called us heavenward in Christ Jesus.
Philippians 3:14.
Jesus is alive. Accept, celebrate Jesus.
Gumugunita kay Jesus sa araw-araw kasama ang MX3.
Tatak RMN.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya, new white rose papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
This news is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. With over 300 stores nationwide, EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Mula sa number 1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko.
Pritong ulam na masebo, lataw at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Kahit para walang mahikinis, fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Kay Ponatics Herlin Budol po. Dati, nagtatakip ng kilikili. Pero bago sumali ng beauty contest, nag-Silka Whitening Deodorant ako. Ayun, nakapag-wave na. Ito ay may kinis puti extracts with papaya enzyme at niacinamide. Kita ang puti in as early as 7 days with regular use. Silka Whitening Deodorant. Kilikili puting walang budol.
With regular use, results may vary. Afford mo rin mag-Silka Whitening Deodorant. 49 pesos SRP lang for 40 ml. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Bili na!
Yun! Boss, anong ginagawa mo? Nagpadala ng pera sa Palawan. Send money anytime, anywhere with Palawan Pay. Cash agad ang tanggap sa Palawan Express pero padala. Win-win sa Palawan. Ipalawan mo na. Supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Send money anytime, anywhere with Palawan Pay. Para cash agad ang tanggap, mag-Palawan Express pero padala. Supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at kabing sa bango ang dami.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Alas 6:12. This time check is brought to you by Silka Green Papaya Soap. Dahil ang tunay na sign ng pagpapaputi, kita in as early as 7 days.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang maong oras hatod ka nato sa Plemex for Kids. Mamis, tambali dayon ang ubo o plema nga nakababag. Pambata nga lagundi, Plemex.
Tatak RMN.
Kasmooth sa hair! Pero itchy na saan! Kahumot sa hair! Pero itchy na saan! Kabouncy sa hair! Pero itchy Hindi na makaya sa beauty shampoo, huh? Stop the katiis ganda with Head and Shoulders every day. With regular use, get up to 100% dandruff-free beautiful hair with no visible flakes.
Kagwapa sa hair, nga di jud matiis sa uban.
Pagsulay na karon sa Head and Shoulders.
Up to 100% dandruff-free with Head and Shoulders.
Hi, Sura Ramirez po. Naniniwala ka ba sa mga signs? Sign na yan, na uulan. Sign yan na may bisitang darating. At pag mahapdi ang whitening soap mo, aray! Sign na yan to try Silka Green Papaya Soap. With regular use, ito ang puting walang hapdi. Dahil ang tunay na sign ng pagpapaputi, kita in as early as 7 days.
Are you free for an interview?
Sign yan ng Bright Future. Also available in sachet. Mabibili sa inyong suking tindahan at supermarket. Oh, sign na yan to buy Silka Green Papaya Soap.
Silka Green Papaya Soap. Dahil ang tunay na sign ng pagpapaputi, kita in as early as 7 days.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Tatak RMN.
Alam niyo ba na simula edad 50 pataas, humihina na ang ating katawan, lalo na pag walang tamang alaga. Maaaring makaranas ng high blood pressure, high blood sugar, pati na paghina ng memorya, na isa sa mga pwedeng sanhi ay kakulangan ng nutrients sa katawan. Habang nagkakaedad, kasabay ng exercise at pagkain ng tama, tulungan din ang buong katawan with multivitamins. Mag-doctor prescribes Centrum Silver Advance. Ang Centrum Silver Advance para sa 50 pataas ay suporta para sa energy at resistensya. Meron din itong higit na 25 nutrients na ina-adjust ang level para sa edad 50 pataas, like lycopene to help protect your heart, potassium tumutulong sa normal blood pressure, at chromium tumutulong sa normal blood sugar with proper diet and exercise. Napatunayan ding tumutulong ma-improve ang memorya habang nagkakaedad with proper diet and exercise. Pag edad 50 pataas, mag-doctor prescribe Centrum Silver Advance daily with proper diet and exercise. Always read the label prior to use. Multivitamins and minerals is the generic name of Centrum Silver Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Centrum Silver Advance para sa extra resistensya at proteksyong pangbuong katawan para sa edad 50 pataas. Take Centrum Silver Advance every day.
Tatak RMN.
Masking donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.